Attention of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android device. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Then open it and wait for the pop-ups to show up. When they do, you need to select while using the app or only this time, choose Allow and tap Home button. After that, click on iOS Launcher, tap on Don't Ask Again, choose OK and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always get rid of iOS Launcher by uninstalling this app or by going into Device Settings. Over here, you need to select App Management here, choose Default Apps and tap on Home App. Then tap on iOS Launcher, and if you wish to go back into the default one, System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!